Happy Monday, my fit family. So today we're going to do a workout. As you can see from the title, it's going to be an 8-minute Tabata workout. Now what's Tabata? Tabata is just a format of doing an activity for 20 seconds, as hard as you can, as fast as you can, and taking only 10 seconds break. So it's different than my other videos because there's a shorter rest time, more activity, and even though you think it's only 20 seconds, you want to be pushing yourself as hard as you can. I got this thanks to my niece and my nephew. Thank you, Elena and Max, for watching my plank video. And they were saying, like, you should probably do a workout with a shorter rest. And it is the new year, and as much as we're all trying to stay healthy and fit during these difficult times, we want to stay active. And sometimes thinking about going to do for a workout for a half an hour, an hour can be daunting. But everybody can do an 8-minute workout any time of the day, in your apartment. That's all we're going to do for today. There's only 4 moves we're going to do. Like I said, we're going to do each move for 20 seconds and then rest for 10. And normally Tabata is only for 4 minutes because you're only doing 8 circuits of each move. But today I thought we'd just double it. If this is your first time, do as much as you can. Push yourself, breathe, have water breaks. But again, try to really stick to the 20 seconds on and 10 seconds off. Alright guys, here we go. Let's get to this workout. halfway done. Heart rate is up.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Alright, last set. Let's go. All done, guys. As you can see, I'm out of breath because I pushed myself for those 20 seconds. I tried to rest for 10, but my heart rate remained up. It's a crazy workout. It really tests yourself, especially your cardiovascular output. And that's it. That's the work I'm going to do for the day. My body's continuously to burn throughout the day because I got my heart rate up. Remember, if you're new to this, walk. Take a break after this workout. Maybe only do 2 minutes of the workout. See how you feel. But thank you so much for joining me. Remember to stay safe, stay healthy, be kind, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.